Hey there, friends, and welcome to my channel where we talk about all things Kajabi, marketing, and growing your online business. My name is Rebecca Austin, and today we are diving into a topic that can truly transform your business, creating irresistible lead magnets. Lead generation is one of my absolute favorite topics, partly because they are such a cornerstone aspect of any good marketing strategy, but also because so many clients, when they come to me, are missing out on some very important elements that make their lead magnets work effectively. Now, before we get into those details, first we need to cover the basics. What exactly is a lead magnet? It is that compelling freebie that grabs your ideal customer's attention and gets them on your email list. But here's the thing, it's not just about collecting emails. It's about providing value, building trust, and guiding your audience toward your paid offer. There are so many types of lead magnets you can create, like checklists, ebooks, templates, webinars, mini courses, just to name a few. But to make a lead magnet truly irresistible, you need to nail down those key elements mentioned earlier. So let's talk about just a few of what those elements are. First up, specificity. Your lead magnet should solve a specific problem your ideal customer has. Think back to your customer avatar. What are their pain points? The more targeted your lead magnet is, the more it will resonate. For example, if your audience is struggling with time management, a generic productivity guide just isn't going to cut it. But a 7-day time management plan for freelancers hits the nail more on the head. Next, it needs to provide immediate value. A good lead magnet gives your audience a quick win. They should walk away feeling like, wow, I just got something really useful that I can take and use right now to see an improvement in the problem that I'm facing. Whether it's a cheat sheet they can implement right away or a mini training that solves a pressing issue, the goal is to offer something that's actionable. And finally, relevance. Your lead magnet should directly relate to your paid offer. It's not just about giving away something for free. It's about setting the stage for your audience to see the value of what you offer on a larger scale. Think of it like the appetizer that makes your audience hungry for the main course. Remember, I like to say that a great lead magnet should have the audience at least 80% sold on your offer before they even reach your sales page. It's your chance to show them a glimpse of your expertise, to build trust and leave them wanting more. So take the time to craft a lead magnet that's not just good, but irresistible. Now, we've just scratched the surface here. There's so much more to creating effective lead magnets that connect with your ideal customer and drive real results. If you want to dive deeper into how to grow your list and increase conversions, I'd like to extend an invitation to check out a special Grow Your List in-depth newsletter series that we're creating. Just click the link in the description below and gain instant access to all the previous episodes and get new episodes conveniently delivered right to your inbox every week. This week, we go even deeper on all the elements you don't want to leave out to craft that irresistible lead magnet that drives more sales. And don't forget, you might want to subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes in this Grow Your List series. We've got a lot of exciting content coming up that you won't want to miss. Next time, we're going to explore the secrets of optimizing your lead magnets for maximum impact. You won't believe how a few small tweaks can make such a big difference. Remember, success starts with a solid strategy. Keep refining, keep growing. Bye for now.